Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you are experiencing issues with Instagram story music not working, then we are here with some troubleshooting steps. So let's get started. First, start with updating your Instagram. Go to the App Store and type Instagram on the search address bar and search for it. And if you see an update icon right next to Instagram, then simply update it. After you update it, open the Instagram app and go to your profile and simply tap on the three dashboard available in the top right corner and scroll down till you find the option help. Inside help, tap on the report a problem. Then inside report a problem, describe in brief that you don't have a feature of music in your story and you want Instagram support to fix it. And after that, simply tap on the send or done option in the top right corner and Instagram will go through your issue and will respond you as soon as possible. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel and thank you for watching.